Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: Sketchware installed, Google account ready, and a new project created with a clear package name. Open the Firebase console and add an Android app using that same package name so credentials match. Once done, download the Google services. JSON file and place it into Sketchware's project files folder. Make sure to enable internet permission in app settings so Firebase can communicate. This prevents common connection failures later. Now you integrate Firebase into the build. In Sketchware's file manager, add the Google services. JSON you downloaded. Then include required Firebase libraries, authentication plus real-time database or Firestore via the library manager or build settings so APIs compile. You'll also create basic auth screens, email/password signup, and login blocks. Once compiled, initialize Firebase in your main activities on create using the provided. Finish by wiring database operations into UI events. You'll create blocks to push JSON objects for writes, listeners for reads, and handlers for updates or deletes. Trigger these from buttons or form submissions. Test sequentially. Register a user, log in, write a test record, and verify it appears in Firebase. If something breaks, you'll want to inspect the Google services. JSON, confirm package name matches the Firebase app, and verify the Firebase libraries are included. This usually resolves authentication or connectivity errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.